Welcome to Minnesota, the land of 10,000 plus lakes,
hot dish,
and you betchas. For the next 10 weeks,
we'll be exploring A-frames, cabins, hotels,
and even a shipping container to bring you guys the 10 most epic stays throughout the entire state. And this week, we're headed to Crosby, Minnesota. For week 2 of our top 10 stays in Minnesota, we're bringing you guys to one of the most unique properties in the entire series, namely a shipping container. And even though we got in late last night, the roads were pretty sketchy, meaning we got in pretty late, meaning a movie and pizza night at the property. Hello. Well, Tyler messed it all up, but...
No.
With today being our only full day here in Crosby, our main goal is to show you guys the property. And of course, some of the best nearby things to do right here in Crosby. But first, breakfast. After a quick stop at the North Country Cafe for one of the best caramel rolls in the entire state,
2 thumbs up.
we made our way back to our special property this week. Welcome to the Birchbox container. Before we bring you guys inside, I want to tell you a little bit about the background of this property. The owners, Brittany and Austin, actually designed, built, made, managed this entire thing on their own, from its initial stages of a literal shipping container to what it is now. And if you're even more interested in their process, you can check out most of their building process on YouTube. And now we're gonna show you guys inside, because I know that's what you've been waiting for. Welcome to the Birchbox container. As soon as you come inside, you walk into the main living, hangout, chill area of the container. We've got a couch over here, it's super comfy, we tested it out. TV, super nice fireplace that is actually warm. And if you make your way further in, you come to the first bedroom. Now, we aren't really using this bedroom ourselves, but we have been using it to kind of put our extra stuff, charge our drone, and the window space is amazing. Moving on, welcome to the kitchen. Super cute. I love this green color. I'm like obsessed with it right now. Olive green or whatever it's called. They have a book here that gives you all the recommendations on the area, places to eat, things to do, and an entire kitchen. What do you call these? A toaster oven?
Like a conventional oven.
And we've got a conventional oven. A fridge, super nice coffee maker. My favorite part of a stay is when they provide you with some goodies. So they gave us some Peace coffee and some drinks in the fridge for us, which was super nice. And that brings us to the second bedroom. So in case Tyler and I get in a fight, we can like sleep separate. Again, it's super nice bedroom. Very just cozy feeling, and I'm obsessed again with the windows because you can literally just lay here and just look into nature, and it is so peaceful. The next space in the container is the bathroom. Giant shower, toilet, sink, and one of my favorite things that Airbnbs do lately is little makeup rags so you don't stain their white towels. The very last spot in the container is an office slash laundry room slash gateway to the most exciting part of the container. Now, we're gonna keep that a secret for now, but I promise we'll show you guys what it is later. Because first things first, we're going snowshoeing. The Birchbox container is supposedly sitting on a property that overlooks the Mississippi River. So we've got our Yukon Charlies. We're gonna go head out, see if we can find it.
We're just following the deer.
I know, there's literal deer tracks up there.
I already see it. You're gonna be happy.
Wow, that was the quickest snowshoe ever.
Yeah.
Literally. Property. Overlook. Wow, it's a little sketchy.
Yeah.
It's pretty though.
It is, and it's the Mississippi.
Yeah.
That was the quickest snowshoe. We probably didn't need snowshoes, but...
You definitely don't need snowshoes to go over and look at the view. It was beautiful, and now we get to show you guys one of the most special parts of this property.
One of my favorite things to do.
My feet are frozen.
Yep.
Do they burn on me?
Yeah.
So behind Austin and Brittany's mastermind plan was to have this retreat as a rejuvenating, relaxing experience. So what better way to do that than an outdoor hot tub?
And it is perfect for the winter time.
Let's just say we're in love with it. We're gonna relax here, enjoy our time, and for the rest of the day, we're really just gonna take their advice to relax and rejuvenate ourselves. Alright, so we ended up doing something really kind of fun and unique and different today. We let you guys decide what we were gonna do for date night.
And the winner was...
Have a board game night. I will say, last time we were here exploring Crosby, we did a charcuterie board also. I have to say that one turned out a little bit better, but I am sure this one is gonna taste just as fantastic.
Like the cheese.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
So you go first.
Yeah. Maybe need some.
Brittany and Austin, if we lose any of your pieces, I apologize. It's not my fault.
Good?
It's good. Oh, so good. It's like a dessert cheese. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh my gosh. Ready for the final score?
Yeah.
I had 205. You had 273.
Oh!
Good game.
So you buy dinner tonight, right?
Sure.
Before making our way into town for dinner, we decided to stop at the Milford Mine Memorial Park. Now, we mentioned earlier that Crosby and the Cuyuna area was previously known for mining. Well, it's also known to the biggest mining disaster in all of Minnesota. You can learn a lot more about the incident and the mining history here in the area by visiting this park. It's literally right across the road from Birchbox Container, and there's a very nice boardwalk, making it a super easy hike or walk for anyone. Now off to dinner. And thanks to you guys, we didn't even have to decide where. The best wild rice bread bowl wild rice bread bowl that I've ever had. So good. Unfortunately, our time here at the Birchbox has come to an end. It's our very last morning here in Crosby. However, we still have a few more things we want to show you guys in town, and we're coming back in a few weeks, so we'll show you even more when we come back. Goodbye, container.
Bye.
Now, before actually heading home, we realized there were a few more spots in town that we wanted to show you guys, and they all happen to revolve around food. Our first stop of the day was Garage Donuts, a quirky bank-turned donut shop serving up some of the best flavors around.
I did this one.
Just look at the excitement on Tyler's face right now.
They look so good. I got maple bacon.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
As someone who doesn't really like donuts, those are some pretty good donuts.
I would definitely agree.
Our second stop this morning is a coffee shop here in Ironton called the High Wheel, and it actually doubles as a candy store. Our third and second to last stop is at the Red Raven, because even though they do like bike rentals and all that stuff, also they have a really nice cafe inside and the world's best panini Reuben. So good. One of my favorite things in this whole town. Our very last stop of our adventures here in Crosby for this week is Victual, because we got a few DMs saying we had to try their ice cream, so we're gonna go check it out.
Even though it's 11:30 in the morning.
Even though we've already had a donut and coffee and a Reuben, now it's time for ice cream. So I ended up getting the honey lavender sunflower seed one, and there's literal sunflower seeds in here. Apparently over the last 2 weeks, we're just gonna be trying all the unique ice cream flavors. If you wanna see more of the area, make sure to subscribe, because we'll be coming back in a few weeks to showcase another one of the incredible properties here. As for us, we're finally headed home, so we'll see you guys next week. Bye. Unfortunately, our time here at the Tyler's just standing outside. He gave me a heart attack. I'm like, who's that man?